All right, good morning. Today is officially the first day of distance learning. It is Tuesday. It's the 24th of March. Welcome to it. My good things for today is obviously that it's the first day of official distance learning. I kind of feel like it's day two because yesterday I made my first videos, and I know that there are students actually doing some work when they saw that I had put things in Google Classroom and stuff, so that's awesome. So welcome to the official first day. I'm making this video at 9:52 a.m., so we're already a couple hours into it. This video will be a lot shorter than the one I made yesterday. So here we go. My good things for today are it's the first official day of distance learning. Some of you shared good things with me on that roll sheet that I sent out to you. Here are those good things. I won't read all of them to you, but a lot of them were really cool, and it made me really happy to hear what you guys have been up to, and that everybody who responded said that they are well to that in response to that question, are you well? So that was great. I am a little worried about the kids who have not responded. So if you get this video and you haven't responded to that, I sent out a Google Classroom assignment with that roll sheet form. It is also available via a link on my Google site. If this is the first video you're watching, here is that Google site. Here is the home page. There's a site for Core. There's a site for Avid. Some of the good things that people shared that they've been doing and on that roll sheet were some of you are doing a lot of cooking. I heard about people making cakes. I heard about people who are making apple glazed pork chops and other cool stuff. Let's quickly look at those to remind me. People are playing video games. Sisters are back from college. Somebody got a double yolk egg. And people are watching old Lakers games on TV. People are safe. People are not sick, which is awesome. The song La Bamba, I agree. That is a good thing. People visit moms and had fun. Some of you are having trouble with the online assignments. If that's the case, I'll have an idea for you in just a second. People going on vacations to the Grand Canyon and Alabama and other places. So those are all great, good things. Today, you should be working on these items on the assignment guide. One reading log entry. I got an email saying that I might be off on the numbering of the reading log entries. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. I'm not really sure, but there are a lot of more important things to worry about right now, so let's not worry about that. There's an actively learn assignment. It's called 9 Tips for Working from Home. I had one person say they're having trouble with, completing that they don't understand how actively learn works. Just click on the boxes on the questions. If you want to write a note, you do that off on the right-hand margin. It should be pretty simple, but if you're having trouble with that, you can go to my website, right, and click on this button that says appointment link, and it'll show you, wait for it, this page. Just click here and it'll give you a calendar, and you can set up a time to make an appointment with me, right, via this calendar. So if you need some help with something like that, please do that. Avid Kids. I got a couple of emails from Avid Kids saying, hey, does this apply to us, or you didn't talk to us in your video. I'm officially talking to you now, Avid Kids. Here is your Avid page on my Google site. I don't have specific assignments for you Avid Kids right now. I might have them in the future. I might not. But my tasks for you right now are to continue doing all the things that we've learned in Avid this year, using Cornell Notes, note-taking. I'm not going to require you to do any TRFs, but think about the process of a TRF if you have some point of confusion, and you can work it out that way, hopefully. I'm not going to require TRFs or Cornell Notes for now. I may have assignments that I add later. But right now, just keep using those Avid skills, and there aren't any assignments, but there may be later this week or next week, so keep watching your email and Google Classroom. What else did I want to say? I talked about Avid Kids. Oh, Roll. So I sent out an assignment on Google Classroom. There's that link on my page. If you are one of the kids who has not yet responded to the Roll, do so. I am required to let the administration at Orchard Hills know about who is not responding to the Roll, because they will start making phone calls home to kids who don't seem to be participating in distance learning. So if you haven't done that yet, do it today. Like I said, I sent it to you on Google Classroom, and it's on that link on my home page, and I'll try to remember to do a fresh one on there each day. Anyway, that is it. I promised I'd make this video short. We're at almost 7 minutes, so I'm going to cut it off right there. It's great to hear from you. It's great to hear that you are all safe and well. I hope that that continues. One last thing I remembered. I think that we might be backwards from the official sequence that we're supposed to be following between core and science and electives and PE and all the other classes. I think that maybe tomorrow was supposed to be a core day and today was supposed to be social studies. For that, I do apologize. Please do stick to the schedule that I have for this week, and I will double check and confirm. And if I am backwards next week when I do our assignment guide, I will straighten that out and have it the way it should be. So I do apologize for that if it's wrong. I am aware of it, and just stick with it for now, and we'll fix it next week if that's the case. All right? So I'm signing off. We're at 7.5 minutes. Stay safe. Stay well. Goodbye.